Hi guys, I'm back, and today I've got another special guest with me. Actually, I've got two special guests. I have got my Ella Bella, and she is 9 years old. She's going to be painting today. And then after her, we've got Norah, my little Norah Bora. She is almost 8, and she's going to do a painting as well. So I'm going to let Ella introduce the colors that she's using, and she's going to tell you what you're going to do.
I am using pewter gray, wild iris, and tropic orange from Apple Barrel. I will be doing a tree ring pour with silicone. Mom and I aren't really sure it's going to turn out looking like a tree ring, but it might. So, yeah, we're going to try it.
Here's your white.
Thank you.
Okay, you might want to hold that cup so it doesn't tip over. There you go.
My beautiful gray. My favorite color is gray.
At the moment, I'm hoping she's going to grow out of that.
Oh, no, Mom. Why would I? I would never grow out of gray.
Oh, I bet you will.
I probably won't. Add a little bit of the tropic orange there. That's pretty.
There you go. Good.
Wild iris, one of Mom's favorite colors. And
They know me too well.
And then I'm pretty sure it's going to be one of my favorite colors. Some
more
more
white?
white.
Yep.
And some more gray. Some more tropic orange. Y'all know the colors already. I'm just going to stop repeating them.
Good job. Oh, I keep putting my head shadow in the way. Whoops. Okay, let's see. You probably want to do one more layer should be enough paint to do a tree ring for. So here, you want some more white? Just more white. Well, no, you can do the white last. Well, it doesn't really matter, I guess, because the white kind of sinks through all that. The white always sinks through all the colors anyway. Kind of mixes them up a little bit. Yeah, it does. It kind of mixes your colors a little bit too, because the white is the heaviest.
Oh.
Because to make white, they have to use a lot of pigment. Whereas with some of the other colors, they don't have to use very much pigment, so it's not as heavy a paint. You want some more color? You think that's enough?
One more bit of gray.
I don't know if you want to do more gray. You got a lot of gray in there already.
Mm.
You might want to hold off.
Tropic orange.
There you go. Just remember, the color that you do last is probably going to come off the canvas anyway. Okay? All right. Here, let me have your cup, and I will do a little thing in there for you. Okay. Now hold your cup like that. Pinch it close if you want to do your little tree ring or your little marble rose. You got a hold of it good? Mm-hmm. All right. There you go. Just start turning carefully. There you go. That's perfect. Just keep going like that. I'm going to let the dog in. Come on, puppy dogs.
That was only Abby, was it, Mom?
It was Abby and Thor.
Oh, first time.
I'll show y'all Abby and Thor sometime soon. They're beautiful puppy dogs. I like your color choice, Ella.
Thank you, Mom.
All right, tilt your cup a little bit more.
Ay.
Tilt it this way.
Can't do circles.
All right, just hold it still there. Just hold it still. Tilt your cup up a little bit so the paint comes all the way out. Just hold it right there in the center. And when you're ready to stop, just sort of tilt it back slowly. Hold it in the same spot so it doesn't drip. Okay, that's good. You don't want to do too many weird. There you go. All right, now you want to start tilting. You might want to tilt it towards you first so it doesn't all pour off of this side. There you go. Now twist it slowly. There you go. Pretty colors together. All right, you got all this paint coming off this side, so you better hurry up and get it back that way. Otherwise, you're going to pour it all off one side. Just get over that way a little bit. There you go. Make sure you stand with the camera. Looking pretty. I'm loving the colors.
I'm
yes.
trying to cover that corner.
There you go. Okay. Yeah, cover that corner over there first. That's going to be the easiest one to get. If you bring all the paint back over this way, it's hard to get that corner over there. There you go. All right, don't pour all your paint off. Remember, we can always use the palette knife to get those corners.
Come on, stubborn paint.
It's coming. Yep.
Last
Okay.
corner.
Watch your hand all over the side of the painting there. It's okay. Boy, I love those colors. Very soft.
Go on, paint.
Come on, paint. Come operate. There we go. All right, now set it back that way a little bit. There you go. Beautiful. All right. You want me to torch it?
Rinse off my hands
Yeah,
while Mom torch it.
All right. There you go. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. I knocked into the setup there. I'm going to take the palette knife and get this edge right here for you, okay?
Okay. It's a lot of gray. I like it.
It is a lot of gray, but it's pretty because
Yeah.
it's picked up the other colors and it looks good. Just getting these corners and then we'll torch it.
I'm also thirsty. While I'm at it, I'm going to get a drink of water.
Okay. I think we've got all the corners there. There we go. All right, let's torch this baby. A lot of little air bubbles popping. Well, I think it's really pretty.
Yeah. Turned out looking like a tree ring floor.
It did. It did. It's a beautiful. I really love these colors you chose. I am very proud. Very impressed. Actually, I was a little worried about your center there because your lines were kind of going wonky, but it actually kind of turned out cool. Makes it a little different from the rest of the painting.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Mhm.
Okay, what do you think? Is it done?
Yep.
Okay. No more working for cells? All right. There you go. Let's
I love mine.
it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Let's get them down so they can see.
All right.
A little close up. All right, there is her center there. And man, I've got way too much daylight in here. It's really messing up the colors. But you can kind of see there all the different blending of the colors. Ooh, very pretty stripes. Move you around a little bit, get a good view, and then I'll back you back up and you can see the color a little better. But that center turned out kind of cool.
Yeah, I did little zigzag patterns at the very end.
Yeah. All right, let's bring you back. All right, that's pretty much the color, I believe. All right, Ella, you want to say anything to your viewers before you go?
I enjoy all the comments you leave me, guys. I really love them. And I think this is actually the first time that I've done a pour on an actual canvas. I've just done tiles and paint samples from Home Depot before. And I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna leave you guys with that.
Okay, we're back, and we've got Norah, and she's going to do another pretty pour for y'all. So I'm going to let her tell you what color she's using.
So the colors that we're using is Tropic Orange, Laguna, Pewter Gray, Admiral Blue, and Jet Black.
All right. All right, get your cup there. Go ahead and start pouring your colors in. You do whatever colors you want, baby. There you go. That's good. You don't want to put too much in it to begin with. We'll put that one over there because it's empty. Here's your turquoise. Here, let me make sure I stirred that silicone in good. There you go. There's just a little bit of peach left. Or tropic orange. There. Tropic orange. Tropic a little bit of that left side. There you go. All right, I'm going to put that cup over here out of the way since it's pretty much empty. So you got quite a bit left of those. And there's your blue. There you go. Yeah, just set that black there. Oh, be careful. Get it in the cup. Don't pour it on the table. There you go. Some more turquoise. There you go. You want to put some more black in there? All right. I'm going to put some more turquoise in there, just so you have enough paint.
Okay.
There you go. Are you done? Is that enough?
Yes.
All right. You sure you don't want any white in there?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Oh, good job. There you go. Good job. I think that should be in the view of the camera there. All right, remember when you pull it off, tilt the cup off and pull it sideways. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Do you want me to torch it first? You might get bigger cells if we torch it now. Can you do it? I don't know. Can you push that button? Here, hold it. Keep your hands way down here. Be safe. Okay, push it hard so it clicks. There you go. Okay, now tilt it and hold it way above way above. Ooh, look at those pretty cells you're getting. Let's move that cup out of the way so we don't melt the cup. Hold it up above your paint. You don't want to burn your paint. And when you're done with the torch, just let go of that button. There you go. And be careful because the end is very hot. All right, you might want to tilt it the sides to side, or yeah, because it's pouring off this side already a little bit. There you go. Don't let it all pour out first. Get the other edges first because you don't have a lot of paint there. Okay, there you go. Go back that way. I'm going to pour off this corner real quick. And now pull it back quick. There we go. And get that corner. Yep, hold it. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to get this corner down there. That's beautiful. All right, there you go. You got it. Now get this corner. You got some interesting stuff going on here. I can't wait to see what it looks like when we torch it again. It's almost there. There it goes. Okay. There you go. Beautiful. You got some neat looking cells there. Here. I'm going to torch it since you got so much paint on your hands there. We'll move it over there a little bit. No. You got it. You got too much paint on your hands. What do you think?
It's kind of too much turquoise.
Kind of too much turquoise? That happens sometimes. Sometimes the turquoise takes over. But if we put some heat to it, maybe some other colors will come up a little bit. I think I'm going to have to put some more butane in this torch. If you want to wash your hands real quick, I'll let you torch it a little bit more. Alright guys, we'll be right back. I'm trying to put some butane. Whoa, that thing is not cooperating. Ah! I'm not sure why it's doing that. Wow, that's cold. That is cold. Alright, we've got it going on now. Whoop! I think we got a little bit too much butane in there. We got a flame going on there. Alright, you want to torch this? I'm not sure it's going to do much more. It's not really cooperating. Alright, listen. This is very hot, so don't touch it, okay? Push it hard. Here, whoop. Did we get the... Oh, the button's not pushed down. There we go. Okay, now try that again. Push hard, push hard. Here. Let me help you. Okay. There you go. Okay. Hold it up. Away from your... There you go. Hold it slowly, slowly, slowly. Go, no. Just over one small area. And that way it might bring up some other color. Thinking it's going to be mostly turquoise painting though. Don't get so close to the paint. Pick it up. There you go. Because if you get too close, it might burn your paint. I got some peach color coming up over there. That's pretty. All right, you got more cells coming up. Did you see those? Yeah, very pretty. Sometimes it just takes a little while to get some colors and some other colors to come up through it. Here, let me come around. I'm gonna get that corner for you there because I think you got a finger in it or something. Here, let me have that now. I'm gonna just put a little bit down here because I think you got a finger right there.
Oopsies.
Well, that's okay. I get fingers in my paintings all the time. I think you got all the other corners. Here, let me do this for a minute because it's getting hot and I don't want you to burn your fingers. That is really hot right there. So let me help you out just a little bit, okay? Do you have anything else you want to say to your viewers? Maybe thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching me. If you want to do any comments, just click the button below. And I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a good day, evening, or night. Thank you.
All right. All right, well, I think this is about it. I don't think we're going to get anything else up through this. No more torching because I think that's it. But we do need to get them down so they can see a little closer some of these pretty cells you've made. Okay, there's a close-up of Nora's painting. Got some pretty cells right there. There's one that's really pretty. Some little tiny itty-bitty baby cells there. Pretty cells going over the edge. But that turquoise did kind of take over everything, unfortunately. But it's still a beautiful painting. And she did great. Okay, now this is where I'm going to leave you. There's your pretty for today. Hope you enjoyed watching the girls paint. They had a lot of fun, I'm sure. Wherever you are on the planet, hope you have an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye. Whoop, I think I cut you off. What did you want to say?
Bye.